Hi, I'm Alex, Shining 3D's UK account manager, and I'm here at the Solid Print booth today. Solid Print are one of our UK partners, and I'm here with Daniel Scott, an application specialist. Daniel, today we've launched the new EinScan Libre. You've had it on the stand showing customers today. How has the product been received?
It's been really good. People have been really interested. It's the first fully wireless, all-on-board scanner from Shining, and I think it's got people's attention really because scanning something like this, no cables, everything processing on board. It's been really well received.
So Daniel, what excites you the most about the EinScan Libre?
Well, the multiple scanning modes I think is really good. You come across something like this, you can use the laser mode, the infrared mode. It had no issues with the shiny black surfaces as well, which is something that often trips scanners up. So it's really good to see it working on everything really. And the fact that it's tracking without targets as well is really good. We've been doing the battery in the back of this without any targets on. It's just been using the texture and the geometry to track it, and that's been a really big help and really helped scan it quickly.
Brilliant, good to hear.